1 amp, maybe in a minute it should charge 1%. The battery size is 2000 milliamps, 2100, but it's really used, so it's 1700 maybe, if it's 4 years old. 28 charging, and I bet it's lying. It doesn't want to. 29. What? Why? What? Let me just pull this out. I don't believe it's charging correctly. I pulled it out. Now it says 29%. 3 hours until full, and it still thinks it's charging. What? That was weird. Oh boy. What the fuck? So I lock it, plug in the charger, straight, hopefully, and it says it's charging. And in a minute or two it should tell me how long it wants to charge. Let's see the other side. This seems okay. So this plug could have been the problem. Plugging and unplugging. I haven't touched anything else. This is where the processor is, probably. The 2 SIM cards, micro SD, the screen connector, probably. I'm not sure. I haven't seen the other side. And water has direct access through the headphone jack. That's nice. So let's see. Charging. And that's about all I know. Let's see if it got any battery information. With a red line, I don't know what the hell that means. It was blocked at 5%. Oh, it had cellular signal. Now it doesn't have any. Okay, that's kind of weird. Really weird. But it's not charging fast enough. It should charge a lot faster. Let me just shut it off. It's getting really hot. The processor is getting hot. This is probably the radio or memory. I don't see the memory chips. This isn't as hot. Not as hot. Oh, what's this? Oh yeah, it's the memory card slot. Stupid. I thought it was a plug. Okay. So I didn't learn anything. from this disassembly. Did anybody else learn something? It's charging. It's 30%. That's really weird. And with 1 amp only. Before it didn't charge well with 2 amps. With 2 amps it took him 1 day to charge. Maybe 16 hours or something like that. Really weird. Let me just power it off gently. Power off. I don't want to rip out the battery. And now it should show just the... Can it show if I press the power button? Charging state something? No? Oh well. It's still connected. Okay, I guess that's it for now. I don't know what else to do with this phone. I put it back together. The charging circuitry seems fine. And the only problem could be the battery, in my opinion. And of course I don't know anything, so... Okay. I'll reassemble it and call it a day.